Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Chevy Cruze windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, park your Chevy Cruze on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. This prepares the arms for safe blade removal. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook arm. Be very careful to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't snap back and potentially crack your windshield. Safety first. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upwards onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield surface. Once one side is complete, simply repeat these steps for the other windshield wiper blade. After both new blades are installed, hop into your Chevy Cruze and turn on the ignition. Activate your windshield wipers and spray some washer fluid. Watch them closely to ensure they operate smoothly, without streaking, and provide clear visibility. You've successfully changed your wiper blades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.